single day. I'm gonna make.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video will be a haul video. I went to the shops that I've included in the title. Excuse me again. And yeah, the haul is all over the place, so I've got everything here. So yeah, I'm just going to begin with the haul. So these I've already got ready, but it's mine and Cameron's anniversary soon, so that's his card. I put a picture up on screen. I also got him, the card was 99 pence from Card Factory. I also got him a bottle of the Pure Cleanse hand sanitizer because he's always using mine. So I got a bottle of his own for 99 pence, or £1 from Poundstretcher. I also got myself, I know I've got way too many, but I just could not give this up. And this is a orangey bronze colour, if it wants to focus on it. There we go. 60 pence, and it's in the name ginger spice and my middle finger there. Sorry about this, but that's a couple coats. Yeah, I'm messy with my nail polish. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and in it you get 6 mils, so that's quite a lot for what it is. And yeah, 60p from Primark. From Iceland Food Warehouse, I think it's called, I got this 3 litre bottle of Robinson's Real Fruit Squash in summer fruits, 3 litres for £2.50. So a few things that I got Cameron for our anniversary. Someone's gonna complain that I didn't spend much on him. I'm sorry. I don't know what to buy him. I'm new to this anniversary thing. So yeah, my relationships didn't even last long. So I don't really know what to buy someone for their anniversary. So he will love all of this. So just thought that counts. He will definitely love these candles. These are £2 each from Poundland, and it's in the scent mulled wine, so it's very autumnal, Christmassy. Because you've got the aniseed, the cinnamon, the orange. I think that's aniseed anyway. So sorry about that. And I got him a teddy bear from Poundstretcher for £3. Really love that. Got some mint imperials because he loves those. Now this is his main thing. Sorry, I just need to. My feet are killing. I've been on them all day. As I was saying, I got him some Deadpool socks from Primark for £6. Yes, I will put them back in the packet. I just need to show them the full length. So yeah, the first pair just look like this. I did not check the shoe size. Oh, these are going to be way too small for him. Oh, darn it. Oh well. But yeah, those are the first pair. Second pair are these red ones. Got, I think that's check. Don't know. It's only got a bit on the heel. There's the second pair. The third pair is just plain black with Deadpool's face on. Third pair is just the same, but it's got Wanted Deadpool on. The third is just Deadpool. The red lines. Also ran out of deodorant, so I got him this in general. Also the hand sanitizer wasn't an anniversary present, it was just in general. Yeah, this is in general as well, so this was from Primark for 90p. It's the 50ml one, so that's quite a lot for what it is. So most of this is pretty much from Iceland Food Warehouse or Poundstretcher, also from Poundstretcher. I've got this pug bag. It says Hello Summer on. It looks a lot like Cameron's dog, hence why I got it. And on the side it just has those patterns. This bag forgot the name of this bag, but you can use it lots and lots of times without it breaking. But this bag was 69p. Okay, so Milky Bar buttons, the giant ones, was it? Or is it just the normal ones? I think it's just the normal ones for £1 from the Iceland warehouse. Also from the Iceland food warehouse I got some giant dairy milk buttons for £1. I will be sharing the Milky Bar. Actually, Cameron doesn't like the Milky Bar buttons, but I'll be sharing them. And these with him, 12 bites. Got a couple of Nerds ropes, because the shop that I normally get them from are £1.30, and that's a bit much for what they are. And so from the Iceland food warehouse I got the normal rainbow Nerds one and the very Nerds one. So me and Cameron will share those. Been looking for one of these for weeks now. So I got I forgot the name of it, but this folder for £1.79 from Poundstretcher, and it's just one of those folders. I can't really do this one-handed, but it's one of those folders, and you get the name taggy things in there. Excuse me. Also got some more cotton buds because I can't be bothered to go all the way back to mine just to get them. So I've got another tub for 95p. Also, yeah, I won't tell you what the next bit is for, but you'll find out soon. But the first things are these, a bit pricey for what they are, but you know, some pumpkin lights, petrifying string lights. I have to get some batteries myself, but these were £3. I got some 20 spooky creatures that are mostly bats, but those ones, there's 12 black and 8 glow in the dark ones. Probably won't work because I'm using the flash, but feel like it's open. Got some sweeties, bit cringy that was. Murder Motel Halloween Cyclops eyeballs. Thought that would be true. This was £1. Thought that would be really nice to hang up somewhere. This was also 79p. So sorry. But yeah, 79p for that. I also got some window stickers. These were 79p. So are these. And these. Also got another one. I got 2 of these. So yeah, the last thing is this hand sanitizer for £2. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and see you in the next video. Bye.